Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add animation to text in CapCut. So let's just delete the text that I have on right now. And I'm just going to select add text. So go to text, add text, and type in anything you want. Then to add in an animation, actually I'm going to go to the font first and I'm just going to change it to, let's see, just going to choose this one for instance, or this one. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one. And then you are going to go to animation here, and you can add in an in animation, an out animation, and a loop animation. So I'm just going to choose, for instance, a fade in, and an out, I'm just going to choose a blur one, and for a loop, I am going to select, let's see, this one. Actually, I'm just going to change it, this wave one, and I'm just going to make it slower, like so. And this is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!